Hello, welcome back to my channel once again. Today I'm going to show you how to make noni juice. So sometimes some of you have seen or you've bought it somewhere or have used it somewhere for something, but you don't know how it is made. So today I'm going to show you how the noni juice is made. Noni is a very common fruit in my area, especially when I go to my mom's place. Noni is everywhere. In every household you will get noni there. So it's not expensive in that at my place. Most of people are cutting down their noni trees because they think it grows too fast or it becomes too big. So let's go over some of the health benefits of noni. Noni may improve joint health, increase physical endurance, increase immune activity, aid weight management, help maintain bone health in women, help maintain normal blood pressure, and improve gum health. There are other health benefits that you can also search. And now let's go to the health benefits of noni to the skin, since I'm going to use this juice to make shower gel. Noni is a rich source of nutrients including vitamin C, A, flavonoids, potassium, amino acids, which are known for improving skin tone. Noni fruit and its juice are packed with over 170 vitamins and nutrients. It's anti-inflammatory, collagen repairs, it fights breakouts, it's hydrating to the skin, it prevents sunburns or it serves as sunburn relief, it makes skin tighter, and it's post-pimple healer. We can go on and on for the health benefits of noni to the skin. So now let's start with the preparation. All you need is your noni fruits. So either you plug it from the tree, or normally when it gets ripe it just falls down. So you pick those ripe ones, or you can also use the unripe ones, because at the end of the day they will get ripe when you put them in a bowl. So you wash it very well, make sure that there's no dirt on it, then you drain it. After draining it, you put it in a bowl or a bucket or anything that has cover, or if you have something that you can easily separate the water from, like sieve or colander, you can put them in the colander and put them in the bowl and put it on top of the bowl so that the water will just drain gradually into the bowl. Or you make it like you have seen me doing it. So I just put it in a bowl, covered it for 2 solid months. Normally it's 1.5 months or 1 month, 3 weeks is okay, but I decided to allow it to, I want more juice, so I left it for 2 months. So after 2 months I just poured the water from the fruits and then throw the fruit away. So after pouring the water from it, I made sure that I sieved it very well, since I did not do the sieving from the start like others do. They either put colander or sieve and then they put the fruit on top of it to drain into the bucket. So I sieved it and made sure that it is very clear, there are no particles in it. So then I poured it into my bottle. So in the end, I got 1 liter of noni juice. That's why noni juice are expensive, because the processes and then the quantity of water you get from it after going through all the hassle is just a little. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe. So this noni juice will be I'm going to use it to make noni shower gel. So watch out for my next video, you will see me making noni shower gel. Thank you all for